Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to hold an all-important video conference tomorrow. We're given to understand that the Prime Minister will be unveiling the tax charter for the Indian taxpayers. This is going to be the next leg of tax reforms that the government is going to unveil. Of course, coming in after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that the government is going to soon adopt a taxpayer charter in line with other global nations such as US as well as Canada and Australia as well. Having said that, as I said, the Prime Minister is going to hold this video conference tomorrow to honor the honest taxpayers, and rightly so, along with various representatives from industry chambers. The entire tax department is going to be present there, from tax commissioners to CBDT chair to revenue secretary, MOS finance Anurag Thakur, as well as finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman as well. Having said that, let me explain to our viewers what a tax charter exactly means. It means that there's going to be a statute that will be put in place that will enshrine the rights of an Indian taxpayer. It will ensure that there is trust between the taxpayer as well as the tax department. It will ensure that the taxpayer pays their taxes in a harassment-free environment, in an environment where they don't have to worry. There is easier compliance, and taxes are paid in and resolution is done in a time-bound manner. It will ensure, as I said, that the taxpayers get their services in a time-bound manner. Giving it a statute, it is going to be binding on the tax department as well. As I said, only a handful of countries like US, Canada and Australia currently have a taxpayer charter for their citizens. So it's going to be an important announcement, of course, coming in at a time when the government had last year in October also unveiled a faceless assessment under which they had said that they're going to ensure that there is less interface, or the interface is only a digital one. A taxpayer will not suffer any kind of harassment at all. Having said that, as I said, this is going to be an important announcement. This taxpayer charter will ensure that within the Income Tax Act, there is some sort of a statutory backing that is given, which will contain the rights as well as the obligations to ensure that the entire tax process is more fair for assessees, is more simple, compliance is easier. As I said, tomorrow is going to be an important day. The Prime Minister is going to be making this announcement coming in at a time when the government is anyway looking to reduce scrutiny in terms of the number of cases that we currently have. The idea is to honor the honest taxpayers. The idea is to ensure that there is reduced liability on the taxpayers that are doing and paying their taxes in a much more honest manner. Of course, this is going to be a big shot in the arm in terms of not just ease of doing business, but ease of living in the country as well.